Usamla Kennedy Dondor Richard Dunai na All Saints Diocesan Higher Secondary School Shillong ulawan banbat ikakardan kabasan na pedeng kisipau ngot ki basyakmat jangka result jangka Secondary School Leaving Certificate SSLC balapan benata ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos haka step jangka arphon tarik ubnai jemang 8,000 arpholai uni usamla ude ubah hakmat na pedeng kisamla khasi ban pas ikani ka exam minta usnem dakaba kursan spa anre marks ya kakardan baningkong na pedeng kisipau ngot jangka result SSLC lawan banbat daka Sherwood School Tura lingba ka Samrit Hiadas kabala yok kursan spa new pu marks ka Saint Margaret Higher Secondary School Shillong kala yok banbat ya kakardan baar lingba ka Jyoti Priya Batacharji sanspa new pu marks ya kakardan balai labat dalai teliki school kata ka Saint Margaret Higher Secondary School lingba ka Tanushri Acharji ka Sherwood School Tura lingba u Ritam Deep Chowdhury bat ka Saint Xavier Secondary School Tura lingba u Salrimi M Marak ki bala yok kurmar sans pa Henry Pusau Marks kadai ka kerdan basawpat labat ka Arable Higher Secondary School Tura lingba urong grade ni sangma ubala yo kursan pa Henry Pu Marks ya ka kerdan ba Henry pat la yo bat ka Saint Dominic Savio Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Felicia Kurkolang bat ka Sherwood School Tura lingba ka Sanskrita Kamarkar ki bala yo mar sans pa khandai pu khandai Marks ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo man Korea ka kerdan bahnyo lingba u Anish Gurung sanspa san pohunyo marks kadbaya ka kerdan bapra layo bat ka Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Nostoin lingba u Springfield Snaitang u balayo sanspa san pohunyo marks ka Sanida Emi Pakma na St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo man rung ha ka kerdan bakhandai daka bayo sanspa san posan marks ya ka kerdan basipau labat ka Christian Academy Shillong lingba ka Santara Marpna ka Sinat Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Isabella Maulong bat ka Palabi Fenang ka bayakun na ka private institution ki bala kurmar sanspa san posau marks
Kennedy. He has got also highest marks in maths and science. Of course, another boy is also there who got highest marks, but well, he's the only one who got position. So very proud and happy. So I am also happy for the other students as well. They have also tried their best. They have also tried their best.
5 days left for exams. I'll stop. I'll deactivate my phone. Use. I even used after like during exams. I'm so happy. I am speechless. Last but not the least, I would like to thank myself and my parents. Yeah, thank you. Excuse me.
I thought, no, I have to try. I have to try my best.
What is your message to the young ones who are looking up to you right now?
Oh, my only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God, for nothing can be done without God's blessings after all. Also, to secure us, you need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
As I'm still thinking, I haven't thought about future yet. Still.
Hello, bro. Okay, thanks Sandra Markna, but Nadina Christian Academy, but ngala yo boy ru hagani ka top 10 list jong ka SSLC exams. No comment dekat tak tahu, but I ngo you play baladan dekat lambat na. Haman kalinti ka hajing emzong mo. Layai ke sana normally tidak dong school pun tu ngambil kami awak tan ban dekat nomor bangalong school no ban tuition di so ngapuli kat pun tu 3-4 hours a day tu jadi Saturday tu nak put in more effort.
Take a next step.
Mentah tinggal opt for science stream dia dengan super catch. Nomor bang aku alit medical sciences tak ada.
Kasihan.
Dabang ko ito yung kaay, so ay mo siya balay kami kapas school barok kami kinayarap yung nga ngapit nila din ganun po siya nagkam mafia sa barok school kami kapatid tamu belero takatay.
What is next plan?
Next plan, tayo pursue siya science stream tayo. But ultimately tayo kapan clear siya ki UPSC examination. So sped ye ka balay ka po.
You
For now tayo.
Yeah, you are for science stream. What is your objective in life? What?
Objective in life,
Yeah.
clear ki UPSC examination.
Okay. Okay. What if he aim make a UPSC or clear UPSC?
UPSC because naiibo na kibo Abdul Kalam to mado nga bas try balong AS mo to kay. Tingaro mo yung motivation gyud tip nga pa man ang try long ay ka country ro kay mo. Ay ka effort nga ro kay panyarap
Okay.
To.
Riam, ngali school ha Christian Academy. Yo, top. Strong. Engkong kita semuanya boleh ni mar nado engkong nado beli kelas tan nado sampai tu ada dekat sana. Sebentar di kami ayo di kana boleh ni. Bak ngaku ayo kini kai baru bak sistem hentam kelas tan ni. Bak kai bah, bak kini cepat bak ket bak ariana. Tu sekolahnya hanya sini. Bakum jadi baru perlu bagi jam duduk bahin sana baru. Kita teh untuk cuba jangan kami konsumsi. Masa ngan semtuk hai dia sampai ibang nak benda teman ni buat kam bantu nak minta jangan kerja dia. Pilih biang sing ni. Pilih you pak. Pilih you pilih sijil ke?
Science.
Science. Kita kena apa fizik science?
Science ni mengapa ian penting kam doktor kam ban train nak minta kibru ni. Macam kita jing Memang doktor ban ba ko anong doktor ng snow ra tambah sampai hadiah buat kisawan sa sumut nasa kamjit ba hadiah dah minta tang pada sumut ba ada
Gentleman limo na maba abangi tip ba ka kina kaya ha baka school ka produce a very good result mo ti abangi i line out ka list ti sisha long ni klam da expect kata kan tambah ni abangi i budan line out ka pendap ya yang ni da gentleman kan ka
Ke dia bahas ni.
ka in comparison with last year ti long ti kabiang hi ka result bentang kan as in you when you compare with last year's result last year ni dan Samud ha list this year Limewood ti more or less kalong kumju hi ka result kan you 100% ni pa of Limewood baru of Limewood pass.
Okay,
Then in Kongshwa, I congratulate all the students on the good result and the good result that they've achieved. The meaning Kongshwa I know we nagkaka result na ha niyo, but the message kalong ba kinang kamtray kambaha shushu kinang kaminot shushu na magbang suko to be able to reach the top it's only through hard work. They didn't come here and I should afford the junkie, like a jimpudi the junkie, but they can pursue their higher studies, can come here, tamba, and they are so too here that Kanundan he can know that a jim shajok that don't get in Krishna.
Okay.
Tiki kena hi kalau ni lada ki dia beni pet hi mo, like kini kita pass kini kita ada role models junkie, kita pet hi, kita you are here lesson lagi ni, bangka tiru kunjung kumakilam ni, tidak kam kiban kin.
First of all, I want to thank God the Almighty for having blessed our school with good results. Because no matter how much human being work hard or how intelligent we may be, unless God bless their studies and their examination, nothing could be done. Other years we do have good students, but then we didn't get as much good results with the 2nd, 3rd and 11th rank in the state. And we have many letter marks and highest mark different subjects. Secondly, I want to thank our teachers who have really worked hard, taking extra classes, extra tests for students, having late classes in December and in January. And I would say they are very sincere in their work and they have great love for the students. Then the parents who work with us collaboratively and who have helped us whenever we call them for any meeting, they are always there. So I want to thank everyone at this juncture. My heart really raised up to God and to all the persons involved in this success. Thank you.